Welcome guys, this is Wiz Gamer. I'm here to teach you how to make a combination block in Minecraft Pocket Edition. First, you get the redstone torch and a blocks of chosen, a button, a redstone, a lever, iron door, a redstone repeater. That's all. First, you make a 3 blocks high. 1, 3, just like that. And you make, oh man, oh no. What I am doing, what is the, oh man. Okay. Wait. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. 1, 4, 6, 8, and then put the iron door off the side and cover it in here. Just like that, and put a redstone. Watch what combination you like. Just like that, and cover it. Oh wait, put the redstone on. I put the redstone repeater underneath this block to connect that iron door. That, just like that, and redstone, and oh no, what's happening? Okay, just like that, and break this, put that, okay, and cover it just like that. Wait, and that, put the lever, 4 lever. Wait, I'm going to time set the, wait guys, just like that. And if you have your combination, cover it. If you want some more lever, more safe, like that, and the combination has been done. They're trying to, if you have some friends and they not pass your house, make this, because they something to get your sources, like that. Thanks guys, please subscribe, and please, I want to get 3 likes. Goodbye, see you next my video.